guys, and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng crispy breaded pork chops with the curry sauce. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, ipapound natin itong pork chop kasi medyo makapal pa. So, papanipisin natin ito. And baliktarin lang natin para doon naman sa kabilang side. Kung wala kayong ganitong pang-pound, pwedeng gamitin itong back ng knife, yung walang talim, at tadtarin nyo lang yung ating pork chop para numipis. And we'll set this aside. Ito na yung na-pound nating pork, isi-season natin to ng salt and pepper to taste. Pati na rin doon sa kabilang side. After natin ma-season, we'll set this aside for about half an hour. Gawin naman natin yung coating. Itong half a cup ng water, i-add natin itong 1/4 cup ng glutinous rice flour. At i-add na rin natin itong 1/4 cup ng potato starch. Add na rin natin itong half a tablespoon ng curry powder at 1 teaspoon ng paprika powder. Season natin ng salt to taste and pepper to taste. And we will mix it well hanggang maging smooth ang ating batter. Pagka ganitong well mixed na, pwede na natin itong iset aside. Mag-proceed tayo sa ating next step. Ayan, ready na tayo mag-coating. I-drench natin ito o i-coat natin yung pork chop dito sa ating all-purpose flour. Make sure na well-coated ito. And then, ita-transfer natin o i-dip natin dito sa ating coating na ginawa kanina using my other hand. Then, i-drain lang natin yung excess coating. Then, i-coat natin ng breadcrumbs. Again, make sure na well-coated ang ating pork chop. And after this, we will set this aside. Continue lang natin yung rest ng ating pork chop. Ang ating next step, mag-preheat na tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan for deep frying at ipiprito na natin yung na-coat nating pork chop. Ipa-fry natin to for 5 to 6 minutes on one side. After 5 minutes, baliktarin naman natin to at we will continue to fry it for another 5 to 6 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, baliktarin uli natin to at continue naman natin ang pagprito for another 2 minutes. And then after 2 minutes, baliktarin uli natin to at ipiprito uli natin for another 2 minutes. Iyan, luto na yung ating pork chop. Pwede na natin itong i-transfer sa isang plate lined with paper towel para ma-absorb yung excess oil. Next, i-combine natin itong half tablespoon ng curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon ng Cummin Powder, at 1/4 teaspoon ng Coriander Powder. Kung wala kayong coriander at Cummin Powder, pwedeng i-omit nyo na lang to. Mix it well and we will set this aside. And then dito sa ating saucepan, mag-preheat na tayo ng oil. Igigisa natin itong kalahating sibuyas na fine chop. Igigisa lang natin ito hanggang sa lumambot yung ating sibuyas. Ayan, ready na yung ating sibuyas. Pwede na natin i-add itong 4 cloves ng minced garlic. At continue lang natin ang pag-isa hanggang sa lumabas ang aroma ng ating garlic. Ayan, ready na yung ating sibuyas and onion. I-add natin itong 1.5 cups ng water. At isasama na natin itong mixed spices. Isisimmer lang natin to hanggang sa kumulo. Ayan, kumulo na yung ating sauce. Pwede na natin itong i-season ng ating salt and pepper to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. And mix it well. And then, pwede na natin i-add itong ating cornstarch slurry. 1.5 tablespoon ng cornstarch na tinunaw sa 3 tablespoon ng water. Mix it well and continue to simmer hanggang sa lumapot yung ating sauce. Ayan, malapot na yung ating sauce. Pwede na natin itong switch off and we will set this aside. And lastly, pwede na natin i-slice itong ating malutong na pork chop. So, kahit malutong siya, juicy pa rin inside. And transfer na natin yung na-slice nating pork chop on top of the rice and pwede na natin i-pour yung sauce on top. This one is ready for serving. And there you have it, our quick and easy breaded pork chop with curry sauce, best served with rice. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.